This is Adam Kokesh at the Jefferson Memorial here in Washington, D.C. According to a recent court decision, it is now illegal to dance at the Jefferson Memorial. That's right, the memorial dedicated to America's foremost champion of freedom of speech and expression.
Tonight, Park Police and two people that were taken into custody and released just hours
Excuse me, madam. You're standing still in a no parking zone.
No.
If you don't get a move on that body, I'll be forced to give you a ticket. So get with it!
There's a party tonight, you're in a red light zone. If you don't want a ticket, you better move on. If you break the law, you got to pay your dues. Ain't much better if you play it by the rules, 'cause it's so easy, it's so right, it's so easy to rock it with your body, baby. It's so easy, it's so right, it's so easy if you drive it all night. No parking, baby. No parking on the dance floor.
That's not the way this works. You cannot shut anyone up. You cannot stop them from dancing. You cannot stop them from kissing. You cannot stop them from doing things that come natural to people. We need absolutely.
Shake it, baby. Rock it, baby. Movement violations are easy to fix. Just tell the DJ to fix it in the mix. Shake it up and shake it
Stop
on
resisting.
down. Lift
Stop
it to your
resisting.
rhythm. You gotta get down, 'cause it's so easy. It's so right. It's so easy to rock it with your body, baby. It's so easy. It's so right. It's so easy if you drive it all night. No parking, baby. No parking on the dance floor. No parking, baby.
Thank you to everybody, but really, if you want to support this cause, if you want to stand up to oppression in the United States, if you want to stand up to the police force that's out of control, join us next Saturday at noon at the Jefferson Memorial. All you got to do is dance. Bring your headphones. You can rock out. Bring your air guitars. We're going to have a good time, because the best revenge, in fact, I think the only revenge worth having is living well. So we're going to go out. We're going to have fun. We're going to stick it to them again and say, you know what? You can't stop us from dancing just because you think it's okay to physically abuse people. We had a reporter there from a local NBC affiliate who got kicked out of the memorial and didn't even report it. I mean, that's how sad the American corporate media is, and that's why it's so important that there's a station like RT America here broadcasting an alternative perspective. These guys were there, they were filming, they interviewed me before the event. They got it all on camera. They had their cameraman in there recording this thing, and the cops kicked him out. They failed to report that fact or any of the incidents of police brutality.
Parking, baby. No parking on the dance floor.
Let me hear you blow your horn.
Shake it, baby.